Hi guys, Hurricane Elsa is supposedly right there as of right now. But it's sunny outside! I think most of the meat of the hurricane came either yesterday or in the middle of the night while I was asleep. But if it's like close to here, which it is, it's close to my area, kind of. Or it shifted east. The old trajectory went straight through there. But now what's cool is that it's gonna go to Iceland. Like, it's directly on a path to Iceland. I mean, like, by then, it's obviously just gonna be nothing more than a small storm. But still, it's cool to think that, like, on Monday, it's gonna be in Iceland. Also, I am leaving to go to Costa Rica for a summer camp, like, on Monday, so I definitely, probably, most likely won't be posting any video, but I might have some videos after the trip, talking about the trip, I guess. Or maybe not. I don't know, but yeah, bye. This might be the last video until, like, August. Alright, bye.